Hey everyone, what's up? So, I have to share something I stumbled upon that's been a pretty crazy little side hustle for me. I know, you see free money online and you immediately think it's a scam. I did too. But this is different. It's called crypto arbitrage, and the website cryptoarbitrage.xyz breaks it down in a way that actually works. I've been using their method for a couple of weeks now, and it's surprisingly consistent. Basically, it's about taking advantage of tiny price differences between Bitcoin and Ethereum on different exchange platforms. You're not gambling or waiting for the price to go up. You're just moving your crypto from one place to another at the right moment to pocket the difference. Let me show you exactly how I do it. Okay, so they have this step-by-step guide that's updated daily. The first thing you need is a Bitcoin and Ethereum wallet. I use blockchain.com like they suggest, just because it's easy to have both in one place, but any wallet works. The key thing here is you need a small amount of Bitcoin to start. The guide says at least 0.002 BTC, which is about, let's see, roughly $100 or so, depending on the price. That's your working capital. It is not an investment you are risking on a trade. It is just the fuel for the process. Now, here's the magic part. You take that Bitcoin and you send it to this first exchange platform, otcmarket.live. Right now, as of today, their rate is amazing. You send 0.002 BTC and you get back 0.101 ETH. So you just fill out the form, they give you a BTC address, you send it, and after one confirmation, the Ethereum lands in your wallet. It usually takes like 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so now you have Ethereum, but you're not done. This is where the profit happens. Immediately, you take that 0.101 ETH you just received, and you go to this second exchange, Changely.com. You swap it right back to Bitcoin, and look at this rate. 0.101 ETH gets you 0.0024 BTC. Let's do the math. You started with 0.002 Bitcoin. After about 5 minutes, you now have 0.0024 Bitcoin. That is a profit of 0.0004 BTC. At today's prices, that's about, well, they say $45, and yeah, that's pretty accurate. It might not sound like a life-changing amount, but think about it. You just made $45 in 5 minutes with a few clicks. And the guide is right. You can repeat this. I don't do it 17 times a day. That's a bit much, but I'll run through the cycle a few times when I have a coffee break. Even doing it just 3 or 4 times a day adds up to a really nice extra bit of cash each week. Now, a quick note, the links in their guide are referral links. So if you use them, the person who shared the guide gets a tiny percentage. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it's a nice way to say thanks for sharing the secret. I'm using their links in this demo, and if you find your own way to the exchanges, that's cool too. But hey, sharing is caring, right? So that's pretty much it. It's simple, it's fast, and it actually works. The exchange rates change every day, so some days are more profitable than others, but I've always managed to find a positive gap. I'll leave the link to the main guide, cryptoarbitrage.xyz, in the description below. Go check it out for yourself. Let me know in the comments if you try it and how it works for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.